Hi, I am Julian Alexander. I am responsible for material handling tyres at Continental. In this segment, we've got more than 50 years of experience. That's why we are very lucky to have long-standing partnerships with service providers, original equipment manufacturers, and end customers. Today, we see that the material handling and logistics market is rapidly changing. Key drivers are automation and digitalization. Both factories and warehouses are getting smart and interconnected. Everything we do is driven to help our customers to get better, faster, safer, and more sustainable. That's why today we have developed our new solid tyre portfolio Plus for an increased lifetime with less energy and fuel used. For those of you who drive on pneumatic tyres, we've also got a solution. Our tyre pressure management systems help to detect wrong air pressure and tyre punctures, and therefore increase the safety, durability, and service life of your tyres. You want to find out more? I'm looking forward to seeing you and familiar faces at Hannover Messe. Let's together keep the vehicle rolling.